What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. I know I've already posted before, but this is actually probably like the first real video that we're gonna start doing. I'm looking at myself, which is why I'm not looking at the camera, because I'm not used to it, but we'll get used to it. It's cool. For the first video, actually, what we're gonna be doing here is starting a series where I take you guys along with me riding in other people's cars, people that I know on Instagram. And basically, yeah, we're gonna go from there. We're just waiting for him right now. This guy has a full bolt-on 5.0 Mustang. And so, as most of you guys know, I have a Dodge Charger Scat Pack. It is just on like E85 and a little some, but it's nothing like a full bolt-on 5.0. So yeah, man, we're gonna wait till he gets here, and then from there, we'll get it kicking. All right, boys, he has arrived. Oh! Got a quick header. Alright, bro, so tell me what you got right here.
Intake, 30 Manny, long sleeve, build bib, and then I'm getting a clutch.
Getting the clutch.
Soon.
So it's still in the stock clutch, huh?
Tuesday.
On Tuesday?
So,
alright.
shout out Top Notch.
Big shout out Top Notch. Yeah, bro, I miss the street.
0 to 60. RPMs.
Dang. I wish that the Charger had something like this, because like the Charger dash is so boring, bro.
They're all the same, huh?
They're all the same, bro. Like the SXT all the way up to like the fucking Red Eye. It's the same shit. Yeah, I know him. I know. Well, I don't. You missed it. You missed the ship.
You know what it is? My synchros are fucked up already.
What is it?
So when the gears change, it has rev match.
And
it has out match too. So when if I'm not gonna tool over here and I want to go up, it'll rev me up.
I feel you.
All the time. And if I even shift too fast, or if I shift too high RPM, I'm still on my stock clutch.
You still in your stock clutch?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
I have on Tuesday 6500 RPM.
A little track car?
Oh, I got beat by one.
Yeah. That shit sounds fire. That shit sounds good. They trying to run it, Alright, bro, it was nice having you. I appreciate it. First of many.
Shit was real fun.
First of many. I've been trying to do it for a while, bro, you know? I feel like not a lot of people like in this area be doing this shit. And low key, like there is like a lot of, I mean, we're not huge, but like there's a lot of nice cars around here. So if you're trying to do it, hit me up. Be a little ride along.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, bro. I'll catch you later. I appreciate it. Alright guys, so we showered up, shaved a little bit, looking a little bit better. But yeah, it was fun. It was fun with my friend Tony with the 5.0. You know, a lot of people don't know, but before I bought the Scat, I actually was looking at 5.0s. And man, they sound good. Honestly, I really like them. I know a lot of people hate on them, but I honestly like them. But yeah, right now we're actually just headed to the store to get some goodies. Alright guys, so we're here at the bridge. We're here at the bridge and homeboy's rapping in front of my car, you heard? Guys, so we're actually leaving the spot. As you can see, other taquaches are pulling up. Well, they've already been here, but yeah, you know, I just had to let the homie use the car for a video shoot real quick. So we actually just got here. Yes, we met up with Angel. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know I hang out with Angel quite often. And yeah, Home Depot, good stuff. Let me actually just show you guys his car real quick. It's actually very nice. As far as I know, he does everything himself, which is pretty cool because not many people do that. I know I don't do everything myself. So homeboy actually has the aftermarket Vicross kit, the wide body kit, and then he wrapped it himself. Little lip on, it's all good. But he has these sick ass side skirts. They're honestly pretty nice. He painted the SRT on there. You heard? Corn fed, you heard? At the gas station, the E85 gas station, and we're filling up. Yes, sir. So we actually came back to one of the same spots. Quick taking photos. And we got the Hellcat and the other Scotty, you heard? Yes, sir. That shit's fire. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap up the video. Hope you guys enjoyed just as much as I did. Stay tuned to see who the next car will be for the ride along. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you guys next time. Peace.